And we're taking you to the bite-sized taste of Chicago this morning, just hours before the festival opens.
Yeah, we said bite-size. It's better for portion control,
yes,
right? You don't just eat it all, but there's much more than food. You can also enjoy concerts and dancing as well. CBS 2's Marissa Parr bringing us the moves. Marissa, good morning. What's going on out there?
Good morning, Mugo and Adrina. Yeah, they are keeping things moving here at Taste of Chicago. Summer dance is a big part of that. And so we have Nuno DiGiulio with May I Have This Dance? Let me guess. You know how to dance.
Well, I'd like to think so.
And you're going to be teaching people how to do it this weekend.
We're going to be here tomorrow from about 1 to 4, but the dancing here is going to be today from noon to 4, tomorrow from about 11:30 to 4, and then on Sunday from noon to 4. There's going to be a sample, just like you could get a sample of different food and flavors in Chicago, you can get a sample of different dances. Today, it's all about dances that were born in Chicago. Tomorrow, we're going to be teaching East Coast swing and merengue and some family dancing at about 1 o'clock, and then Sunday is going to be a lot of Latin dancing.
I love it. So Mugo, Adrina, when you're talking about portion control and the bite size, well, this is just the thing. If you had a lot of food, you can work it off, get a good exercise in, and have some fun. So what's your favorite part of this?
Well, I think this is really a unique experience. Summer dance itself has been around for 26 years, and I've been doing it since the inception, and it started in the Spirit of Music Garden on Michigan Avenue in Balboa. But this is like the marriage of two huge Chicago institutions all together. So like you said, you can, ingest some calories and have some wonderful food and then burn them off with us. So.
Okay, well, what is it that you're going to be showing us how to dance right now?
Well, right now we're going to do a little hustle just to demonstrate something a little different. Tomorrow we're going to be teaching a little East Coast swing. So.
Okay, all right. Well, you can definitely talk the talk, but now we got to see you walk the walk. All right, so we're going to have Nino with his lovely partner do a little demonstration for us. But as they said, this weekend they're going to be doing some dances that originated in Chicago that include steppin', line dancing, polka, hop, and footwork. Mugo, Adrina, enjoy the show.
They look good out there.
They do.
Steppin' would be fun to go out to the Taste and do a Chicago step. I mean, that would be fun. I love summer dance, period, in Chicago. Like, I've gone out and learned some more salsa.
She's a great dancer.
Yeah, I love to dance. So this is cool that they're bringing it to the Taste, and they look great out there.
They look really good. So they did walk the walk.
They did.